Whoa! Hey guys, it's Jeremy Kruis here, and in this video I'm gonna be talking about lighting. I'd say lighting is probably one of the most important things in photography and cinematography, because it can change the mood or look of your film or photos so much. So in this video I'm gonna give a few basic tips on lighting to get you started. First tip is to find a window. Find a window. Right now the window is right over there behind the camera, and so the light is pretty much flat on my face. Usually you'll use this kind of lighting for kind of a happier feel, and it's kind of like lights up my whole face. And I have the lights off in the room so that the background is a little bit darker. Let's see what happens when we put the light to the side. So some people will call this a more dramatic look. So the light's coming from here, and so we have kind of half my face lit up and then the other half a little bit in the shadow. This kind of goes for a more like moody feel, a more dramatic look. If you face the camera on the darker side of my face, it'll actually make my face look a little thinner. So during interviews, a lot of times the cinematographers will set up the camera to face the shadow part of the interviewee's face so that they look more flattering on camera. If the camera faces the brighter side of my face looks a little bit bigger or fatter. Can you tell the difference? Ooh, sexier look. Of course there's all different angles that you can do. Sometimes it's not a direct. See how there's still a little bit of a shadow here, but most of my face is lit up. So yeah, just play around with the different lighting angles. It really changes the feel. Usually you're not gonna wanna film against the light. So right now the light is behind us. You're always gonna want your light source to be behind the camera unless you're going for sort of a silhouette or something. See how it kind of, I'm really dark and the background is bright. So you're gonna wanna make sure you're filming not against the light. Filipinos are selfie experts, and here in the Philippines they know this. And whenever they're taking a selfie and they notice the light's behind them, they'll say, "Huy, against the light, against the light, it's against the light." Then you turn around. Ah, there we go. See, that looks so much better for a photo, right? Or for video. Right now it's golden hour. Golden hour is the time of day when the sun rises and when the sun sets. So it's usually 2 hours in the morning, like right before the sun rises, and maybe an hour after it rises. And then again at night, like an hour before the sun sets, and then maybe 30 minutes or so after it sets. This is kind of when you get the most beautiful light when you're outside, because the sun is at an angle and it kind of gives a more dramatic effect to everything, and it just gives a golden glow to everything. During midday the sun's like right overhead and it gives like shadows on your eyes and stuff. Here, let me try to explain with my lamp. Let's pretend this is the sun. So let's say it's noontime, so that means the sun is directly overhead. See how that kind of like makes my eyes in the shadows? So now I have the lamp right in back of the camera, right near my face. So this is like kind of a straight on. So here, let's try a more dramatic look where we have the light just to our side. So now you can see the light is mainly on this side, and then there's a shadow on this side. Just started raining. So to recap, find a window and then turn off the lights in your house and use just the window as your lighting. And then also play around with the angle of your light, because that'll change the way your face looks a lot. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Hopefully you can take some of these tips and go out and practice and learn more about lighting. Well anyways, that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my videos, make sure to subscribe. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Boom. Bye.